Yes, ready, start. Making Indian companies and India's national economy more productive is not going to be an easy or painless task. We must recognize here that capital is scarce and costly, and this is especially so in view of the current downturn in the national and global economy. Market conditions have become highly volatile, although we in India can say with some satisfaction that our economy has remained relatively immune to the crisis that has engulfed several countries in Southeast Asia and elsewhere. In this rapidly changing global scenario, better utilization of human resource and adoption of more efficient technologies and work practices become all the more important. This places major responsibilities on all of us, on policy makers in the government, management, trade unions, R&D institutions, media, and of course each and every worker. In this context, the first thought I would like to put before my countrymen is that productivity enhancement must be give the priority in all sectors of the economy. The appeal I would like to make to every worker and every organization is work faster, work better, work for the nation. Concretely, this would mean that individuals as well as organizations must pay greater attention to cutting costs and boosting the quality of their products and services. Both individuals and organizations must give priority to better management of available assets before drawing up plans for new investment. They must think of ways to save energy and materials in every economic activity. Studies have shown that with technologies and work practices, Indian industry can save up to 30% of the energy which it now consumes and 15 to 20% of the materials which it now uses. The greatest scope for saving, however, is in time, which is also the most precious of all the economic resources. If a certain work can be completed in half the time that it otherwise takes, it not only satisfies the consumer but to that extent also doubles the rate of growth of the organization. I believe that there is a vast scope for both speeding and improving the work in every office or productive establishment in the country, especially in the government. I have a specific proposal to translate this potential into reality, which I would like to place before the nation. Let every organization in the country invite ideas and suggestions from its employees at all levels on how it can work faster and better. Stop.